Hello everyone, my name is Andy. This is EION Weekly Gold Review. Last week, the gold price fell 2.1% from 1,791 US to 1,753 US per ounce. However, on Friday, the gold price rallied from 1,753 US to a daily high of 1,814 US per ounce. On Wednesday, the US released the retail sales data, and the data fell short of expectations as consumer spending slowed down and excessive inventory of US retailers may be one of the factors. On the same day, the US Central Bank stated that the interest rate will remain unchanged for now, but has confirmed to raise interest rates 3 times before the end of 2022, in which the timing for the first interest rate hike will depend entirely on the development path of the job market. And it's expected that the job market will continue to improve in the coming months. At the same time, the Federal Reserve also announced that they will double up the efforts of tapering in mid-January from 15 billion up to 30 billion US dollars per month, including a reduction in the purchase of US Treasury bonds by 20 billion US dollars and a reduction in mortgage-backed securities, or better known as MBS, by 10 billion US dollars each month. The Fed chairman said that rising inflation is the reason for the acceleration of debt reduction, and he also expects to achieve full employment next year. In addition to that, the employment rate in the US has grown steadily in recent months, and the unemployment rate has fallen sharply, marking the beginning of full employment, but there are still lingering risks posed by Omicron. A well-known market analyst issued a warning to consider 3 risks in 2022, including the Omicron variant virus, the threat of inflation, and the start of a lockdown in Asia. The Omicron virus has a very high risk of infection. Currently, many countries have closed their borders, casting the shadow over economic recovery as the labour market will be exhausted and logistics will be at a bottleneck. Inflation will continue to soar, which possibly will lead to stagflation. This kind of situation will make the market continue to choose to hedge, thus supporting the price of gold. This week, the market will pay attention to the data release of the Prices Index, PCE, US Quarterly National Income Data, GDP, and the US Consumer Confidence Index. It will be another exciting week for the gold price, and stay tuned to it. Make sure to tune into next week's EION Weekly Gold Review for all the in-depth updates. Until then, thank you for watching EION Weekly Gold Review. Stay home, stay safe, and buy more gold.